it's Miss Jordan from Children's Museum Tucson, and I thought we could do a little bit of a science experiment today because I really miss science and I really miss doing it with all of you at the museum. So I thought, why not just do it over a video? Okay, we are gonna do one of my favorites, cloud in a jar. All you need is one clear cup or glass, even a vase will do, filled up probably 3/4 of the way with water. Next, you'll need some shaving cream. I just have my grocery store's generic brand. And then some liquid food coloring, and we'll just need a couple drops of this. Awesome. Are we ready to get started? Fabulous. Okay, so to begin, let's talk about why we're doing this science experiment. We are doing the science experiment to understand why and how it rains. So basically what we're gonna do is the shaving cream is gonna act like a cloud and the food coloring is going to act like the rain. So what happens in our atmosphere when it is about to rain is that we get these big old clouds that are usually either nimbostratus clouds or cumulonimbus clouds. Now, cumulonimbus clouds are the really big ones, the ones that are kind of down low and they stretch themselves all the way to the top and they're really big. So cumulonimbus are the really big tall clouds, the really big puffy ones. And then the nimbostratus clouds are the ones that kind of like to layer on top of each other. So when you go outside and it's a cloudy day and it looks like a ceiling of clouds, those are nimbostratus clouds. And now the reason rain clouds can get really dark in color is because that comes from all of the moisture they're holding in. So the more moisture they're holding in, the darker they are, the heavier the cloud gets, the more it wants to just let go of that rain. So let's put our cloud, make sure to shake. Maybe a little bit more. You know, there we go. And friends, that's just how science goes sometimes. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, but you just keep trying. All right, we've got our cloud in our water. Cloud, we ready for some rain? Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to drop droplets of my liquid food coloring onto the top of my cloud. Now, as my rain starts to get heavy inside of the cloud, it slowly sinks to the bottom of the cloud and eventually it will release through the bottom. So it might take a little bit of time for our rain, liquid food coloring, to go through our cloud, but let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, I put in 10 drops because my cloud, my cumulonimbus cloud, is really big. But look it, friends. There comes my rain. Do you see it coming from the cloud into the bottom of my glass? So there you have it, friends. The reason it rains is because there are all of these moisture particles that combine in a cloud. They get mixed up in the cloud. And that water is heavy and it needs to fall. And gravity helps pull it down to the earth. So what happens is all of those water particles get pulled to the bottom of the cloud, and then eventually they become so heavy that they give way. And then that's when we see rain. So hopefully our desert will see rain sometime kind of soon. Until then, wear your sunscreen, wear a hat outside, and keep experimenting at home. See you later, friends.